Welcome back, and in today's class we'll be solving more examples on parallels of latitude. We'll be solving more examples on parallels of latitude. And our first example today says a point X is on latitude 32 degrees north. Calculate the speed of X due to the rotation of the Earth. A point X is on latitude 32 degrees north. Calculate the speed of X due to the rotation of the Earth. So, drawing our circle, we have our sphere where we have our point here. My sphere is not looking like a sphere, but okay, we'll be using it like that, where we have our sphere. So we'll have 32 degrees north. 32 degrees north. So having it at 32 degrees north, at this point, we can have it to be coming like this. So at 32 degrees north, we have the circumference of parallel to be 32 degrees north. So we have the parallel of latitude to be 32 degrees north. So we have it to be 2r cos 32. We have it to be 2r cos 32. So we have 2 pi r cos 32 degrees north. So we know that our 2 pi r is 40,000, where our 2 pi r is 40,000. So we have it to be 40,000 times cos 32 degrees. And cos 32 degrees, we have it to be 40,000, and our cos 32 is 0.8480. Now, it is important to know that the Earth completes one revolution in 24 hours. The Earth completes one revolution in 24 hours, which shows that X travels a distance equal to the circumference of its circle of latitude in 24 hours. Now, it says a point X is on latitude 32 degrees north. Calculate the speed of X due to the rotation of the Earth. And we know that one revolution is in 24 hours, which is 24 hours in a day. So, looking for the speed of X, it will now be over 24 hours, which shows that this is the speed of X. So the speed of X is now our 2 pi r cos theta over 24 hours, and this gives us 1,410 kilometers per hour. We have it to be 1,410 kilometers per hour. So that is the speed of X. That is the speed of X due to the rotation of the Earth. We have it to be 1,410 kilometers per hour. Now, the second example says an aeroplane leaves a point P at 21 degrees north and 32 degrees east. At 21 degrees north and 32 degrees east. And it flies due south at 850 kilometers per hour. It flies due south at 850 kilometers per hour. At 850 kilometers per hour. Find its position O after 4 hours. we should find its position O after 4 hours. So what is the first thing to do? We need to first find the distance traveled in 4 hours. We need to find the distance traveled in 4 hours. So the distance traveled in 4 hours is 850 times 4. So we have it to be 3,400 kilometers. We have it to be 3,400 kilometers as the distance traveled in 4 hours. So where we have our theta over 360 times 2 pi r, since we have it to be 21 degrees north and 32 degrees east. So we have it to be 3,400 equals to theta over 360 times 2 times 2 pi r. And we have our r to be 6,400 kilometers. So we have it to be theta times 2 times pi times 6,400 over 3,400 times 360. We have to be times 360. Here is equals to 3,400 times 360. So we have our theta to be 3,400 times 360 over 2 times pi times 6,400. And solving this, we have our theta to be 2 year 1, 2 year 17. 2 year in 17, we have 2 year 1 in 16, 180. Here we have it to be 3 year is 2. Here is 90. Here we have it to be 1 in 12, 6. So 90 times 70, we have it to be 1,530. So we have 1530 over 16 pi as our theta. So here we now have it to be theta equals to 1,530 divided by 16 times 22 over 7. So we have 22 times 16. 6 times 2 is 12. 1 times 2 is 12. That's 14. We have 2. We have 2. So we have 263. So we have 1530 divided by 362 over 7. So we have to be 1530 times 7 over 362. And where we solve this further, we have it to be 30, correcting it to 2 significant figures. We have it to be 30 to 2 significant figures because our answer here is 30.45. We have it to be 30.45 and 2 significant figures. We have it to be 30 significant figures. Now, the latitude of Q. So the latitude of Q, since you have to find the position of Q. Now, the latitude of Q, we now have it to be 21 degrees. Now have it to be 30 degrees minus 21 degrees. So we have it to be 9 degrees. So we have our Q to be 9 degrees south and 32 degrees east. We have it to be 9 degrees south and 32 degrees east. And this brings us to the end of today's class on solving more examples on longitude and latitude. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and comment, and I'll be seeing you in the next class. Thank you.